Have you ever noticed how your surroundings influence your behaviors and choices? Welcome to episode number 6 of the Atomic Habits series. Today we're going to dive into the influence of our environment on our habits. James Clear emphasizes the crucial role our surroundings play in shaping our behaviors. In this episode, we'll uncover practical strategies for designing an environment that supports positive habits and minimizes temptation. Our environment has a profound impact on our habits. It can either reinforce positive behaviors or make it more challenging to stick to our desired habits. By intentionally designing our environment, we can set ourselves up for success and make habit formation easier. One key strategy is to make desired habits more obvious and visible. Surround yourself with cues that remind you of the habits you want to practice. For example, if you aim to read more, place books in prominent locations throughout your home. If you want to eat healthier, keep a bowl of fresh fruits on your kitchen counter. By making these cues readily available, you increase the likelihood of engaging in the desired behaviors. On the flip side, it's crucial to reduce the visibility of temptations and distractions that can derail our progress. If you're trying to limit your screen time, consider keeping your phone in another room or using apps that block certain websites during designated periods. By minimizing the availability of distractions, you create an environment that supports your goals. Another aspect to consider is the people we surround ourselves with. Our social environment significantly impacts our habits. Seek out individuals who embody the habits you aspire to develop. By surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, you create a positive support system that encourages and reinforces your desired behaviors. Additionally, consider the power of accountability. Share your habit goals with a trusted friend or join a community that shares similar aspirations. When we have external accountability, we're more likely to stay committed to our habits and make progress. Lastly, evaluate the physical layout and organization of your space. A cluttered and disorganized environment can create mental and physical barriers to habit formation. Take the time to declutter and organize your surroundings, creating a clean and inviting space that promotes focus and productivity. By intentionally shaping our environment, we create an external system that supports and reinforces our desired habits. Whether it's through visible cues, reducing distractions, seeking out supportive communities, or creating an organized space, we can design an environment that propels us towards success. In our next episode, we'll discuss overcoming habit plateaus and strategies for maintaining long-term habit consistency. So, stay tuned and let's continue our journey of atomic habit transformation.